Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide or remove recently visited sites from appearing in your Firefox home or new tab page in your Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the left side, select the home button. And then on the right side, underneath Firefox home content, you want to uncheck the shortcuts option where it shows sites you save or visit. You may also want to uncheck recent activity as well, but this tutorial pertains to the shortcut function in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.